Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a 2023 model Bennington. This one here is the 25Q swingback with the deluxe swingback. Blackout package, exterior's black with a lower firecracker accent. Absolute beautiful boat. It's got the firecracker canvas. Of course, Tritune. This particular boat has the new Mercury 400 V10 in it. I'll show it to you. Climb aboard and take a look. Absolute beautiful boat, power top. It's got the Rockford Faucet gate, upgraded stereo, all the RGB lighting. Underwater lights, interior lights, cup holder lights, speaker lights. It's got the removable ski pylon there. This does have the new lily pad ladder. Climb aboard, take a look. It's got the deluxe swingback on it, so these two cushions here flip up so you can forward face. This cushion here will fold down up under that seat. Interior color here is the graphite with the firecracker. This is the sport upholstery. Looks great. Upgraded cladded captain's chair. Mercury DTS Pinnacle 12-inch Simrad. Got the glass windscreen on it, which is real nice. All your stainless steel buttons. Master power switch over there. Fold out armrests. Come up front, you have your port lounge. Again, fold out armrests, Rockford Faucet gate speaker. Does have a wireless charger right there in the backrest there. Storage up under the console, of course. It is a power tower. Again, this is a 2023 Bennington 25Q swingback with a Mercury V10 400. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.